This video is on how to change the lamps in your Toyota Tacoma 2006. I'm gonna put these 100%. This is the brightest that you can get, at least currently. It's got a 3-year warranty on these. So I went ahead and bought them. They're about 55 bucks. And kind of compare them here to this old, the yellow ones. Having a hard time seeing it at night around here, so that's why I just did a video on cleaning the headlights themselves, but now I'm gonna go ahead and change the bulb. I do have fog lights down here too, so this is definitely gonna help. These are already brighter, so if you didn't catch that, watch my other video. But we'll go ahead and put these babies in. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, we'll go ahead and do the right one first. So if you come back here, right behind the light, right here. All right, so you just take this back piece here, pop that off. It just comes right, pops right off. Set that aside. Okay, now you take this thing. Okay, you can see I kind of started it just so you can see this boot right here. So you just want to kind of work it off of there. Pull that off. And that just comes out. Now you have access to the light itself. You can see it's held in there with a little spring mechanism. Okay, you actually don't need any tools to do this. If you look on the right there, there's like a little, let's see if I can hold this and do it. Right here, just pop that up out of there. Sorry for the camera wiggling there. What we'll do is just push on this right side here. Just push on that, and that comes out like that. Super easy. Now you can see that the light bulb is loose. Slide that to the side and pull that out of there. That easy. Now we'll put our new one in. All right, so just kind of making sure that these are the right ones. This is what they gave me at the auto parts store, and it's looking like they got the right ones. So if you can, pop this baby out, and then you can see it gives the data around the ring of that on what kind it is. So for this, there's the part number for it. I'll put that in the description too, if you want to use NAPA's version. But I'm gonna make sure that I hang on to these because they're still good, just for backups, and then I hang on to the box and my receipt too for the warranty. So 3-year warranty. All right, let's put this. I just took a skill knife and cut around there. I'm gonna put the old one in here. Hang on to them. Man, that looks fancy. All right, I'm gonna use 2 hands to get this back in here, so I don't have a way to really hold the camera, but really, I mean, the exact same thing. So just kind of slide that out of the way, pop that back in there, and put the spring back on it. I want to add this too, that you can't goof this up. See these 3 points there? There's a slot for them. So if you get it backwards, you'll know it. It won't go in like that. So it's going to go in. That's the top right there, and it all slides right down in there. Just like I said, I haven't put the spring in yet, but you can see, just like that. Put it right in there, that spring. Goes in there. These things are so easy. Once you get that boot off there, I mean, it's just a matter of, look, unhooking it and then hooking it back, just like that. All right, before you put your cord back in, you're gonna want to put the boot on. The boot, just work it back on, work it back in over that. That's what those tabs there are for, is to pull it off. So I like to just put it on the bottom first. Just work it in there. That goes back on nice and tight. I had to use 2 hands to get that on there. Now we'll take this baby, plug it back in. Boom, there we go. Okay, there we go. There it is. The one on the right is done. The one on the left is the old yellow one. See, it's quite a bit brighter. There we go. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, you guys. All right, here's a test run of the lights. Let's check out the brights. There's the brights, much better. We couldn't even see on regular beam lights. We couldn't even see the white on the side of the road if there was no street lights. So this is like way better. So highly recommend these things.